A rainbow. A rainbow.
A rainbow.
A nose.
Make a nose.
It's making nose. Emma Kids TV.
Hi friends! Welcome back to Emma Kids TV. Today we're going to do something really fun. We're going to make Play-Doh. Are you excited, Emma? Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so here we have flour, salt,
So.
cream of tartar. Can you say cream of tartar?
I'm tired.
Oil, and very hot water. Be careful. You need to ask a grown-up for help. Okay, so let's start with the flour. Do you want to pour the flour in the bowl?
Yes.
Okay, pour the flour. You're going to pour it in here. Pour it in. Good job.
Ooh, what is that?
Ooh, wow. Next, you're going to pour the salt. Here, pour the salt. Ready? Pour. Okay, good job. And now, cream of tartar. Pour the cream of tartar. Good job. And then, I'm going to add the oil. Add the oil. Yep. Great job.
You did.
You did it. And the hot water here, very hot. Be careful. You're gonna pour it in. Ready? Pour it in. All right. Now you're gonna mix. Ready to mix? Go ahead and mix. Stir it. Yeah.
And move to the cat.
And we're gonna cut 7 pieces to make 7 different colored dough. Okay.
Something.
Okay. So many pieces now. How many do you see? How many pieces?
Let's count them.
Let's count them.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8.
8. That's it. 8 pieces.
8 pieces.
Okay, now let's separate them. And we're going to make 8 different colored dough. You ready to make 8 different colored dough?
Yes.
Okay. What color do you want to make first?
Red.
Red? Okay, let's make red. Ready? You're going to flatten that out.
Flap, flap.
And then we're going to add some red.
And then.
Here, drop some red in. Good job. Now we mix it. You see red? There's some red in there. I'm gonna mix it now. Okay, now that we have all of our colored dough, what shall we make first?
Rainbow.
Here, roll it. Roll the dough. Here, roll it.
Whoa.
Roll the dough. Roll it.
A rainbow.
Wait, let's make it longer.
Whoa, whoa,
Okay,
whoa.
now put it there. We'll put it there.
A rainbow. A rainbow. A rainbow.
A rainbow. Here, roll this one.
Whoa, whoa. Whoa, the piano. Whoa,
Roll the Play-Doh.
Whoa, 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 the piano. We are in a rainbow. Okay. This is a rainbow. With some.
Look, it's a rainbow.
Vroom, 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 vroom,
Is that a rainbow?
Rainbow.
A rainbow.
A rainbow.
Look, I'm gonna make a star. Here, flatten, make it flat. Flatten it.
Flap, flap,
Make it flat.
flap, 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 flap.
We have a roller somewhere.
Flap,
Let's use the
flap,
roller.
flap, flap, flap.
You wanna roll it?
You rolled it.
Roll the dough. Cut here.
Cut
And cut here. Cut. Okay, let's take the pieces off, Emma. Here,
Baby.
take it off.
Take it off.
Here, take this one off. And one more.
And one more.
Ooh, what is that? What shape is this?
Star.
It's a star. What color is it?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How you do? Star.
Okay, let's make.
Star.
What else should we make? Let's make a flower. You want to make a flower?
Yes. And make a ball.
I'm making a little ball. I'm going to make a flower.
Rolling.
And then we have to make the stem.
Stem.
A stem for the flower.
Ooh, what is that?
Look,
Oh,
a stem.
a stem.
Is that a stem? Yeah. And then we gotta make some
Okay.
leaves on the
This.
flower. Look, Emma.
What's
What's that?
flower?
A flower. We can flatten this out and make it a big flower.
Big flower.
Look at that. Is that a flower?
Look at flower. Look at a flower.
What else can we make?
Look at a flower.
Should we make a caterpillar?
Yes.
Let's make a caterpillar.
Okay.
Oh, look, we're gonna make the body for the caterpillar. You gotta roll it into little balls.
Roll.
Roll.
And now the balls
And
is.
we have a red head.
It's very.
Look. You have a caterpillar. It's a caterpillar. You need eyes.
It was nose.
A nose. Let's make a nose.
And make a nose.
Let's make a nose.
And make a nose. And make a nose.
The nose. What
A
else?
mouth. A
And a
mouth.
mouth? Okay, let's make a mouth.
Make a mouth. And make a mouth. And make a mouth. And make a mouth.
Is that a mouth?
Hmm?
Can you make
Hat.
a hat? You're gonna make a hat?
It's a
Okay, let's
mouth.
make a hat.
Make
A blue hat?
a blue hat.
Okay, a blue hat.
It's a
Make a
blue
blue hat.
Let's say blue hat. Let's say blue hat. Let's say blue hat.
A blue hat. We're gonna make a blue hat.
A blue hat. A blue hat.
How about that?
How about that?
Is that a blue hat? Look. What else can we make?
And make it some.
What else can we make? Do you want to make a pizza?
Yes.
Let's make a pizza. Here, let's make a pizza. Here, roll the dough. What kind of pizza do you want? Do you
Look
want
at the pizza.
do you want
Pizza.
pepperoni on your pizza?
Roll.
Let's
Roll.
make some
Roll the
pizza
way
with
you
pepperoni.
roll.
Pepperoni. Let's put it on the pizza.
Pizza and pizza.
Put it on the pizza.
Roll. Oh.
Here. Let's put some cheese.
Yes.
Some cheese on the pizza.
Push.
Cheese.
See. Cookie. Yum. Cookie. Yum.
Maybe some olives.
No.
Yeah. You like olives?
No.
No? I like olives. I want some olives. Put some olives on the pizza. Yeah. Yummy.
It's fire.
Emma, did you have fun today making Play-Doh? Yeah. What did we make? What is this? What did we make today? Caterpillar.
You can't pay.
A
Stars.
star. What's this? What's this?
Rainbow.
A rainbow.
What's that?
And what did we make here? What's this?
Flower.
A flower. And what's this?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Yum.
I hope you guys had fun today. Say bye. Bye to your friends.
Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
So-
If you like this video and you want to see more, give us a thumbs up.
This is inside.
And please like and subscribe.
Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.